Welcome to my drone video of the ship Mariner of the Seas. On May 3rd of 2025, I was filming the destroyer escort in submarine on Pelican Island in Galveston, Texas, when I noticed a Royal Caribbean ship headed out to sea. I flew my drone over to the ship to create this video of the Mariner of the Seas departing Galveston Harbor. The ship was built in Finland in 2003 at a cost of $650 million. She's 1,020 feet long, 126 feet wide, has a height of 206 feet and a draft of 28 feet. Realize that less than 10% of the ship is floating in the water, supporting the other 90% of the ship above the waterline. Her tonnage is 140,000 tons, which is equivalent of 14 World War II Victory cargo ships. This is the route that she took, leaving Galveston Harbor. The ship has a diesel-electric powertrain using 3 Azipod azimuth thrusters. Each propeller is driven by a double-wound 3-phase synchronous motor of 19,000 horsepower with 4-bladed fixed-pitch bronze propellers. This power is delivered to 2 ABB Azipods and 1 fixed pod. Azipods can point in any direction, giving the ship's master the ability to move the ship sideways or in any direction desired. The ship has 4 bow thrusters, adding to her maneuverability. Her service speed is 22 knots, and her maximum speed is 24 knots, which is very fast for a ship of this size. She can accommodate 3,114 passengers in 1,674 passenger cabins. She has a crew capacity of 1,185 crewmen. She has sailed from Singapore to Madrid, from Miami to the Bahamas, and now is sailing from Galveston to Costa and Cozumel. During the coronavirus pandemic, the Miami Herald reported that after cruises were canceled worldwide and all passengers had been disembarked, Royal Caribbean cruises refused the CDC rules to repatriate many of the crew members due to the associated costs. Many crew members turned to desperate measures, such as hunger strikes. As a result, on May 10, 2020, a male Chinese crew member of the Mariner of the Seas was found dead aboard the ship. 3 years later, in June of 2023, a 42-year-old passenger fell from the 10th deck of the ship while moving out of port in the Dominican Republic. Crew members were able to rescue the passenger from the water with minor injuries. Most of the narrative and many of the facts of this video are taken from Wikipedia. At the end of this video, you will see 3 chartlets showing the route of the ship through the Gulf and its mooring locations in Costa and Cozumel. Enjoy.